guys, welcome back to Honest Product Review. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys a German vehicles such as Volkswagen, Porsche, Audi. If you want to see guys, okay, how to replace the fuel cap seal, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that for just a few dollars instead of spending $50-60 on a new fuel cap. All that will be covered and where you can get the parts from in this video today. So guys, on newer vehicles, okay, practically you have the evap system. This is the evaporative emission system. What it does back in the day, the gasoline fumes used to be released in the atmosphere. Now it's a closed system. That closed system, actually what happens, you will build pressure in the fuel tank. When gasoline splashes, moves around, heats up from temperature guys, and when it expands you build certain pressure. The evap system will open the purge control valve, which will inject it in the engine on your car. It will burn through the engine, so you're not wasting fuel, you're not polluting the atmosphere, and the car is more economical. But if that evap system fails, you have two components on the gas cap. One is the valve, that's practically what it does. Okay, if it fails, the evap system, the valve, when you have certain amount of pressure in the fuel tank, so your car does not explode, that valve will open and release, okay, the fumes in the atmosphere. But the other component is the seal right here that fails quite a bit, especially with the ethanol nowadays in the modern fuels. So we're going to show you how you can replace that seal that fails most of the times, and the cap in most cases will be perfectly fine, and you'll just spend a few dollars. So that seal guys, it's extremely easy to actually replace. So you have to do, you can get a knife, okay. The old ones sometimes will actually even break in some cases due to the fact that it's so cracked. Okay, so give me a little bit of time, okay, to pry it out with a knife here. It's about to come out, okay. Cracked but still holding somehow. Okay, so let me start it on this side now. It's a double seal guys, so it goes in a canal there. Okay, so if you have like a screwdriver, two little screwdrivers, that will help. Just doing it here in the kitchen. So let me see if I can just roll it over so we can replace it. So it started guys, okay, I'll show you how it goes, and I'm just going to go ahead, okay, get all of it out now. If you use a small screwdriver, way safer and easier too. This is a very old seal that lost its flexibility from being exposed to ethanol fuels as well. Now this is guys, okay, the seal right here. You can see how cracked it is, right? It's terrible. It's practically falling apart in every single way. So now all I have to do, open the new one. We'll put the link in the description of the video below guys, where you can buy one for just a few dollars. Instead of spending $50 to $70 on a fuel cap, you can just buy it for a few dollars. The new one, it's so flexible, it feels soft, nice. So we're going to go ahead. Installation is super easy. It takes only practically a minute. If you have smaller fingers, it will be even easier. Okay, that's it, we are ready. So a piece of cake guys, you can see we replaced it in no time. Installation is super easy, just removing it is a little bit harder when it's old. If you have a small screwdriver or two of them, it will make your life much easier. But we'll put the link where you can get one from, the good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. Thank you for watching, see you next time.